Right, let's talk fighter jets. Specifically, let's talk about the Saab JAS-39 Gripen. This is a plane with a fascinating history and some really interesting engineering going on under the hood. And it's been making waves in military circles because it offers a compelling alternative in a world increasingly dominated by a handful of big, expensive, hard-to-maintain aircraft. We're going to take a deep dive into what makes this jet special, from its cutting-edge avionics to its surprisingly low operating costs. And just a heads up, we're looking at the latest information here, including the newest upgrades and variants. Because the world of military technology moves fast and the Gripen has been evolving alongside it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this Swedish fighter jet is more than just a sleek machine. It's a game changer with the potential to reshape air combat as we know it. The Gripen might not be the biggest fighter jet out there, but what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in brains. At the heart of this aircraft is its advanced avionics suite, a marvel of modern engineering that gives it a serious edge in the digital age of warfare. We're talking about a fully integrated system that takes in data from multiple sensors, not just on the plane itself, but potentially from other aircraft, ground units, even ships. This data fusion gives the pilot a real-time comprehensive picture of the battlefield, often before the enemy even knows they're being watched. But it's not just about seeing more, it's about understanding it. The Gripen's computer systems can process this mountain of information and present it to the pilot in a clear, intuitive way, highlighting threats and suggesting optimal courses of action. Imagine for a moment, you're a pilot in a tense standoff. You need to make split-second decisions. The Gripen's systems are designed to cut through the noise, giving the pilot the critical information they need, exactly when they need it. And then there's the electronic warfare suite. This is where things get really interesting. The Gripen is equipped with some of the most sophisticated electronic countermeasures available. We're talking radar jammers, missile approach warners, and chaff and flare dispensers, all working together to protect the aircraft from incoming threats. This isn't just about dodging a few missiles. It's about disrupting the enemy's entire battle plan. By blinding their radars and confusing their sensors, the Gripen can create chaos and confusion, giving itself and its allies a crucial advantage in the fight. Think of it like this. In the age of information, the Gripen is a master of the digital battlefield. It sees more, understands more, and can disrupt enemy systems with a level of sophistication that's truly impressive. It's a force multiplier in every sense of the word, and that's what makes it such a formidable opponent in the skies. Okay, let's be real for a second. Fighter jets are expensive, like really expensive. But here's the thing about the Gripen, it's surprisingly affordable, especially when you compare it to other advanced fighters on the market. And that's a big deal, because it means that countries that might not have the budget for a fleet of super expensive jets can still get their hands on a highly capable aircraft. We're talking about nations that might otherwise have to rely on outdated equipment or even worse, be completely outmatched in a conflict. But it's not just about the initial purchase price, it's also about the cost of keeping these things in the air. The Gripen is designed with ease of maintenance in mind. It has a modular design, which means that components can be easily swapped out, even in the field. And because it's a single-engine aircraft, there's less engine maintenance to worry about. All of this translates into lower operating costs, which is a huge advantage for smaller air forces. They can afford to fly more training missions, keep their pilots proficient, and be better prepared for whatever comes their way. But affordability doesn't mean sacrificing capability. The Gripen punches well above its weight class. It can go toe-to-toe with some of the most advanced fighters in the world and come out on top. And this is where the Gripen's operational flexibility comes in. Because it's designed to operate from short runways, even dispersed roads in an emergency, it can be deployed to a wide range of locations. This makes it ideal for defending large territories or operating in challenging environments. It's a true multi-role aircraft, capable of air-to-air combat, ground attack, reconnaissance, you name it. The Gripen is proof that you don't need a massive defense budget to have a modern, effective air force. It's a game changer for countries looking for a capable and affordable solution to their defense needs. In the heat of battle, every second counts. And that's where the Gripen's rapid deployment capabilities really shine. One of the things that makes this jet so unique is its ability to operate from short runways, even rough airfields, that would leave other fighters grounded. This is a game changer for a couple of reasons. First, it means that the Gripen can be based closer to the front lines, reducing response times and allowing it to react to threats more quickly. No need for massive vulnerable air bases. The Gripen can operate from almost anywhere. Second, it makes the Gripen much harder to target. In a conflict, one of the first things an enemy will try to do is take out their opponent's airfields. But because the Gripen can operate from so many different locations, it becomes a much more difficult target to neutralize. It's a bit like trying to swat a fly that keeps moving, frustrating for the enemy to say the least. And then there's the Gripen's impressive turnaround time. We're talking about the time it takes to refuel, rearm, and get the aircraft back in the air. The Gripen is designed for quick and efficient maintenance, with a focus on minimizing downtime. A small team of technicians can get this jet turned around and ready for another mission incredibly quickly, which is essential in a high-intensity combat scenario. This combination of rapid deployment and quick turnaround time makes the Gripen a highly agile and responsive platform. It can be in the right place at the right time, ready to respond to whatever challenges the battlefield throws its way. It's a true testament to Swedish engineering and their focus on practicality and efficiency. Modern warfare is rarely a solitary affair. It's about coalitions, alliances, and working together to achieve a common goal. And that's where the Gripen's interoperability with NATO and other global forces comes into play. See, one of the challenges of modern military operations is making sure that everyone can communicate and share information seamlessly. Different countries use different systems, different protocols, and sometimes even speak different languages. But the Gripen is designed from the ground up to integrate smoothly with NATO's command and control structures. It can share data, receive instructions, and operate effectively alongside aircraft from other nations. This interoperability is crucial for coordinating complex operations and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. And it's not just about talking the talk. The Gripen can also walk the walk. It's compatible with a wide range of NATO standard weapons and systems. This means that in a pinch, it can be rearmed and resupplied from allied sources, which is a huge logistical advantage. This interoperability makes the Gripen a valuable asset for any coalition force. It's a team player, capable of working effectively with a wide range of partners. And in an increasingly interconnected world, that kind of flexibility is more important than ever. The world of military technology is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging all the time. But the Gripen is built for the long haul. Saab, the company behind the jet, has been consistently investing in upgrades and new variants to keep it ahead of the curve. We're talking about things like new engines for even better performance, advanced sensors to detect and track the latest stealth technology, and even the possibility of unmanned or optionally manned variants in the future. One of the key things about the Gripen is its open architecture. This means that it's designed to be easily upgraded with new hardware and software. Think of it like a smartphone that can receive new apps and operating system updates. It stays relevant and capable even as technology advances. This future-proofing is a big part of what makes the Gripen such a smart investment for countries looking for a long-term solution to their defense needs. They know that the jet they buy today will be able to adapt to the challenges of tomorrow. And as the global security landscape continues to shift, that kind of adaptability is going to be more important than ever. The Gripen is a testament to the power of innovation and a glimpse into the future of air combat. So, there you have it. The Saab JS-39 Gripen, a fighter jet that's small in size but big on capability. From its advanced avionics and electronic warfare suite to its cost-effectiveness, operational flexibility, and seamless integration with allied forces, the Gripen is a true game-changer in the world of military aviation. It's a jet that proves you don't need a massive budget to have a modern, highly capable air force. It's a testament to Swedish engineering and their focus on practicality, innovation, and adaptability. And as the global security landscape continues to evolve, it's clear that the Gripen is a jet that's built for the future. What do you think about the Gripen's impact on modern warfare? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.